Do you get a lot of inquiries via WhatsApp? It is such a pain to save them one by one, isn't it? Let me show you how to save all these important numbers and reduce hours of work with just a click. With InTouch extension installed, you would be able to save using Scan Now button or click on the red plus icon and select Find Unsaved Numbers. It will scroll through your chats and will detect all the unknown numbers, showing you the count. By clicking on the Save button, it will save all the unknown contacts from your chats to your phone contact book. It can take a few seconds to get updated depending on the number of unknown contacts and your internet speed. Contacts are automatically saved and backed up on InTouch Cloud. Don't worry, your customer data is safe with us. With InTouch, this task of bulk saving unknown contacts has become really easy.